The Toyota Land Cruiser. Come on, guys, this is the boss. If you're in the Middle East, if you're any part of the world, you know that this is the car that you want to go around the world. And this is the all-new, brand-new Land Cruiser. I've been really looking forward to trying this. One of the great opportunities to come here at the SMMT Driving Day is to get hold of cars that maybe you wouldn't normally be able to. And plus, they have a variety of terrain here. So we may see what it's like off-road. Actually, you can see that some people have already tried it. So this is sand color. I like the color, actually. It's really good. And this is 77,845 pounds. So Land Cruiser is not cheap anymore. 77,000. I'll put all the spec on the screen as usual. But this has got it's a turbo diesel, 4-cylinder, 2.8 liter, 8-speed direct shift automatic, 0 to 60 in 10.9 seconds. What a beast! What a legend! Let's give it a go. We'll have a look around, and of course, we'll take it for a drive.
A brown car guy.
So let's take a look. There you go. Boot is powered, of course. Big old tailgate there. Massive boot space. And of course, a third row of seats right there. If you can see, that will be the third row of seats. That's how you can raise and lower them. So there's not a full review. I haven't got time for a full review. But just to give you an idea, gargantuan amount of space there. And a small little compartment just underneath her. It's a small little compartment there. But lots and lots of space. I mean, come on, if you lower the seats down, you've got tons and tons of room. So let's just close that. Let's see what the rear compartment is like. We'll get straight into it. Wow, that's big. I haven't had a chance to set the seats for me or anything like that, so I'm just going to get into it. Like I said, not a lot of time with the cars here. I'm going to turn the camera around and you can see loads of room in here. As you can imagine, this isn't set for me yet, so this might be further back than I'll have it. I'll let you know when I get in the front, but still, it's quite a lot of room. What else do you have back here? You actually have got controls here. You got AC, climate control, power supplies, loads of them. Very nicely appointed Isofix Chelsea anchors. Lots of room, big old sunroof as well. Should have opened that. And yeah, really cool dashboard. Let's get in the front, see what it's like. There we go. Oh, this feels like home. Yeah, the seat is way too far back. Look at this. But yeah, let me move it forward. There you go. That's cool. Let's start it up. Wow, there you go. Two massive screens. Land Cruisers have come a long way. Look at all of this stuff here. Look at these toggle type switches. All of these power supplies down there. Audio controls. Tough vents with big controls that you can operate with gloved hands. Agree, whatever, you know. Buttons down here. Drive, road, empty. Oh, off-roading stuff. Oh, look at all of this off-roading stuff here. 4 high, 4 low. Lots of buttons on the steering. Digital dash there. That's dash. You know what? Let's take it for a drive. Hope you're enjoying this video. Make sure to hit like, share and subscribe if you're not already doing so. And support independent automotive journalism channels like mine. You can do that at patreon.com, coffee.com, or taking out a subscription right here on YouTube. Or you know what, better still, you can go and buy my books. I've got 3 books out now. They're all on Amazon. They're all available to buy. More details on this are in the description, but buying any of these books will certainly help. Thanks so much for watching. Oh, this feels so comfortable. You know, it feels familiar as well for me. I've driven lots of Land Cruisers, especially in the Middle East, and just sitting high up, feeling imperious, you know, feeling in charge, feeling like the king of the hill already. It's extraordinary. I can feel the vibration of the engine right through the seat of my pants, honestly. You do feel like, you know, you could do anything in this. Immediately, straight away, I feel like, you know, where do you want to go? Where in the world do you want to go? I will take you. That's what it feels like. Right, so off we go onto the off-road route. So actually, we are allowed to go on our own. So we're in 4 high anyway. It's a Land Cruiser. It'll go anywhere, surely, right? Well, we're about to find out. I've never done the off-road route here at Millbrook, but of course in a Land Cruiser, well, I've got the confidence to do it. Let's see what it's like, as I have no idea whether it's mud or sand or what they have here, but we'll find out, I guess. There are various systems. They've got diff locks on here. We got crawl for downhill, traction off. I'm going to leave that on. I think it should be able to handle anything. To be honest, I'm not expecting this to be a really difficult route. So really, the Land Cruiser in its normal settings should be able to do anything, right? We've got diesel. We've got plenty of torque. Very comfortable. Even now, we're already on this loose, gravelly, rough track surface here, but you know, already it's just very, very smooth, no problem at all. This is a Land Cruiser, right? The rides on these things. I remember like the FJ Cruiser. I remember comparing that to various cars, various off-roaders in the UAE, and you know, it was always the easiest, the best ride, the most comfortable ride was in that car. So we are bouncing around now. We've got some really badly rutted roads, and green route, I think, you know, so we're just going to keep going, honestly. So let the car take care of itself. Should really have two hands on the steering if I remember my off-road driving. You can go either way, they say. So okay, so let's go this one because it's a little bit up and down. There you go. This is axle articulation in action here as we go up and down. There you go. No, I mean, honestly, it's like not even. It's laughing. It's mocking me. It's like, what are you doing? So this is just up and down. It's like, I don't know if you can see on that camera, but it's just literally the camel humps. That's what we are doing here. And I'm not even having to worry about, you know, certainly not the front crashing down or hitting anything because we've got so much ground clearance as well. But the engine torque is delivered in a very gentle way. I don't know if that's because we're in four-wheel drive, but we're in four-wheel drive anyway, so four-wheel high anyway, so it's always like that, I'm guessing. There's a car on that one, so let's go on this one. So this is again, so this is a bit of a climb. Oh, a bit of a gradient there, but again, not really a problem. Yeah, I just literally just came right over the top there without even thinking about it. This is a Land Cruiser. You can go anywhere in the world in your Land Cruiser. Not an issue. So let's go downhill. Let's go this way. We went up the hill, now we're going down the hill. And we can't use, it's too late now. But oh yeah, there you go, there's the braking has come in. Oh, a little graphic, big old graphic on the screen here is showing me the downhill. And then now we're going into some sand. Don't know which way we're going. Oh, you can go either way. Okay, fine. We'll go either way. We're in sand now, which is familiar territory. Let's go this way. You got a choice here. It's a great little route that they've got. So they give you like, you go this way, wherever you fancy. That's quite nice. But honestly, it's literally like just point it and off it goes. Just point the car where you want to go. Although, you know, to be honest, these are obstacles that most SUVs could do. It's just that in this one you're really laughing. It's just that sort of thing, really. So good. I mean, the steering lock is good. The ride again, it's surprisingly good, not an issue. And yeah, we can go this way. Yeah, we can go this way. Yeah, I mean, plenty. Oh, I see. We're going around again now. I see. So what I've done is I've just come back on the loop. So I haven't actually done any mud. I don't know which one the mud is, but I haven't done it. So let's take the pink route this time. Up this way. See what that's like. Straight up, bit of power, not a problem. Just the torque is just pulling it along without any issue. Did I go up this way? I went up that way last time, so let's go this way this time. It's interesting. But again, it's just shrugging everything off. I tell you what though, I feel really comfortable. I feel really in charge. Oh, this is interesting. Let's do this. So we got log roll. That's a bit bonkers, isn't it? Let's give this a try. Oh. Wow, we're basically on, as if they got a log bridge that had gone all wobbly. That's what we're on right now. And yep, just laughed at it. It just laughed at it. That's what it just did. It went, yeah, what? No issues. Yeah, so there you go. I mean, you know, at the end of the day, Land Cruiser. There's a friend of mine in Pakistan who's driving his Hilux. across various countries, and there's something that he says in his videos, so I'm just gonna echo what he says. He says torta torta, torta torta, which means like Toyota is Toyota. You can do anything you want with it. Go in and turn the crawl back on again. This is really steep. I'm going really steep here. There we go. Oh, bloody hell. Sorry for that. Wowzers. That was really steep. Not an issue at all. Isn't that great? Torta torta. That's what he says. Means Toyota is Toyota. No matter where you are, wherever you're going, whatever you need it to do, it's going to do it. And the Land Cruiser, king of the hill. Always going to be, always will be, always was. What an amazing thing. Absolutely amazing. Anyway, there was this quick drive, quick look at the new Toyota Land Cruiser. It's expensive. It's really expensive, no question about it. But you know what? It's an investment. It's an investment. And if you're going to go around the world in any car, it's got to be this one, isn't it? It's got to be this one. I think there's no question of that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the review. Make sure you hit like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you all in the next video. What a beast. What a thing. Running a business these days, especially if you're a one-man army, is exhausting. Believe me, I can tell you all about it. From getting new clients, to chasing payments, to creating the content, it can be chaos. That's why I want to tell you about my friends at Strategency. Now, they help solopreneurs and small business owners, especially folks in the car scene, automate, scale, and actually grow their business. Websites, content strategy, Instagram, WhatsApp, it's all sorted. If you're ready to go from being overwhelmed to in control, book a 15-minute consult at the link in the description. And tell them Brown Car Guy sent you. Shout out time, guys. Thank you so much. Hey, if you enjoy my content, why not get involved? Buy me a coffee. You can do that at either of these links. Or if you're watching on YouTube, buy me a thanks or take out a membership. It all helps. It really does.